Hello, welcome to JIT. So, আজি আমি আমাৰ এজন এক্স ফেকাল্টিৰ লগত কথা পাতিম আৰু one of my friend আশিষ so তেওঁৰ লগত JITৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েন্স আৰু তেওঁৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েন্সৰ বিষয়ে আমি আজি কথা পাতিম আৰু তেওঁৰ আইটি কেৰিয়াৰৰ বিষয়ে so welcome আশিষ welcome to JIT's this chat.
Hi Dhruva, thank you for having me.
Okay, so Ashish, first of all, মই তোমাৰ পৰা জানিব বিচাৰিম যে তোমাৰ ইন্ট্ৰডাকশন, যে তোমাৰ simple short introduction.
Okay, myself, I have done my education in Masters of Computer Application, and currently I'm working as a system admin at Zaloni. I have done a few more certifications apart from my Masters. Those are Cisco. I'm Cisco certified. I'm Red Hat certified, and I'm also Azure. Sorry, not Azure. AWS certified.
Okay, so you have done 3 certifications: CCNA Global, Red Hat Global, and Azure. Azure or AWS?
Azure, not Azure. I'm mistaken. That was not Azure. It's AWS.
Okay, AWS.
Actually, currently I'm like on the track of pursuing Azure.
So next তোমাৰ পৰা জানিব বিচাৰিম যে তোমাৰ আইটি কেৰিয়াৰ যে কেতিয়াৰ পৰা আইটিৰ লগত ৰিলেশন বা আইটিৰ লগত কেতিয়া ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলা আইটি কেৰিয়াৰ আৰু তাৰ পিছত তোমাৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েন্স খিনিৰ বিষয়ে জানিব বিচাৰিম.
I have started my IT career back in 2012. So 2012 to 2020, it's 8 years now. So my first job was in Assam Carbon Products Limited. There I was working as an assistant system admin. I worked there for three years, and then I moved to one of the security company. Its name is Veher Interactive Private Limited. So there I was appointed as a support engineer. So after that I got selected in one of the company known as ILFS Technologies. It's a mother company, and the child campus as a network admin appointed there. And I've been working there for the last 4 years. And after that, this year in April, I joined Zaloni as a system admin.
Okay. So from 2012, almost 8 years.
Yeah, almost 8 years.
লগতে তোমাৰ কোম্পানী তুমি কৰিলা 4টা কোম্পানী লগতে JIT টো কেইদিনমান কৰিছিলা আৰু তোমাৰ ফাৰ্স্ট আসাম কাৰ্বন.
Yes, first Assam Carbon, then Veher Interactive Private Limited. Actually, Veher Interactive Private Limited is a security company.
Okay.
So তাতে আমি আসাম পুলিচৰ প্ৰজেক্ট চাইছিলো. তাৰপিছত যোনটো ILFS আছে, ILFS প্ৰজেক্ট আছিলে e-district project, assam.gov.in যদি আপোনালোকে চাই তেতিয়া তাতে গম পাব. So tare network administrator asilo moi, and after that recently back in April, in this pandemic time, I got selected in Zaloni as a system admin.
Okay, next তুমি এটা জালনিত কৰি আছা, so জালনিত কি কি কৰিব লগা হয় তাৰে বিষয়ে কোৱা.
Zalonit, we mainly look after Linux issues, networking issues, and tomar cloud or kiba issues thakile hebur ami sao, and also we do vulnerability remediations like security patchings and all. So ekhine amar main sarita field আছে য'ত আমি mainly scope আছে মানে য'ত আমি mainly কাম কৰো apart from that DevOps team আছে সিহঁতক আমি support দিব লাগে so তাতে নতুন নতুন বস্তু শিকিব পাৰি like OpenShift হৈ গ'ল Ansible হৈ গ'ল and Kubernetes হৈ গ'ল then what is the other thing Docker হৈ গ'ল so we get to learn all those things so সেইবোৰ আমাৰ স্কোপত নপৰে তথাপিও we have to do all those works
so তোমাৰ তুমি নেটৱৰ্কিং কৰিছা নেটৱৰ্কিং মানে CCNA সাৰ্টিফিকেশন কৰিছা লিনাক্স কৰিছা আৰু ক্লাউড কৰিছা so as a basic যেতিয়া ষ্টুডেন্ট আহে so he as a IT career যদি জয়েন কৰিব খোজে তো প্ৰথমতে কি শিকিব লাগে বা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণে আগবাঢ়িলে ভাল হয়
that depends on the market এতিয়া মাৰ্কেটত কি লাগে back in 2012 when I started তেতিয়া মাৰ্কেটৰ needs বেলেগ আছিলে আৰু এতিয়া মাৰ্কেটৰ needs বেলেগ আছে so এতিয়া মাৰ্কেটৰ needs চাব লাগিব now what is your need তোমাৰ interest ক'ত আছে হেতুৰ ওপৰত you will decide in what path you want to go so if you are interested in networking তুমি networking যাব পাৰা if you are interested in administration Linux Windows you can go for Linux Windows and if you are interested in clouds you can go for clouds so etia present market is like cloud etia junto covid junto pandemic hol so what we learned from covid we have to work from home amar covid hoisile covid etia soli ase pandemic many institutions go down many people lose their jobs and there are so many things going on but me I'm working in this pandemic working from home amar junto operations ba amar junto kam hetu eku hamper hua nai because we are totally using cloud and all the latest technologies so amar enuka hamper hua nai so what we learned from here we learned that we have to change by the new trends or with the new pandemics whatever is coming we have to change with it etia jodi moi ko you do basic hardwaring and networking that won't do tomar as an advance you have to move with people who are moving now so for that nowadays basic things are must basic moi jodi kobo jao then hardware networking must learning Linux is a must hetu to must hetu koriboi lage tar pisot you can choose the path which you want etia system administration or job bahut kom hoi gol like Linux administration and all bahut kom hoi gol these jobs are replaced by DevOps etia DevOps ot ki hoy there is one Ansible script tumi likhi dia tomar eta laptop automatically nije hi software installs kori lobo pura laptop setup hoi jabo ami jetia eta laptop format korar pisot jetia ami manually softwares keta prerequisites software junto ami bhorao hetu human interventions lage but these new things these new technologies doesn't need human interventions once you write the script boom it's done it will not take a human intervention jot agot lagisile eta laptop ba 10 ta laptop format and fully set up koribole for 10 engineers now it is required by only one engineer to do that task so nowadays those administration jobs are going down it's not like ekdom heck hua nai but it's going down those are being replaced by new technologies like DevOps or tumi bostu keta architecture to banai dia you place it in one trigger everything is done so the main thing is that you have to go with the trend etia jono trend ase talot jabo laibo but you also have to learn the basics and the basics are which I have already mentioned like networking Linux administration or Windows administration and cloud aru beleg ebu to ase so ami focus koru on this security, because nowadays we are working from home and it's on cloud. So security concern to amar ola besi hoy gol. Etia hacking hua, data loss hua, hebur it is easy stuff if you don't, don't prepare yourself. To me jodi shua, there are so many incidents where people lose their money. Phishing attacks, spear attacks. There are so many attacks. These are small attacks. Because of those, people are losing their money. So hebur how means how to stop all those things? Keneke hebur stop koribo lage? So basic eta security জনাটো দৰকাৰ. তো এইখিনি কাম আমি কৰো আৰু এইখিনি মই যোনটো গম পাওঁ এইখিনি মই কলো বাৰু. আৰু মেইন থিং ইজ ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট, যে তোমাৰ কিমান ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট আছে, যোনটোৰ ওপৰত ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট বেছি সেইটো দি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰা এণ্ড গো ষ্টেপ বাই ষ্টেপ. ইটছ নট লাইক ইউ হেভ টু ডু অল দোজ থিংছ ৰাইট নাও. What I'm sending the message is that you go step by step and take it up with your interest. তোমার ইন্টারেস্ট কিহৰ ওপৰত আছে?
Okay, so Ashish, last মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা এটা তোমাক কোৱেশ্চন হ'ব যে যোনে এতিয়া আইটি জয়েন কৰিব বিচাৰে, সো তেওঁলোকক কি ক'ব বিচাৰা, তুমি কি এডভাইস দিব বিচাৰা?
For the very new beginners, my message would be like, do what you are interested in. নিজকে ফোর্স কৰিব নালাগে. Like if you are interested in hardware networking, don't force yourself to coding. Maybe তোমাক এতিয়া কোডিং ভাল নালাগিব পাৰে, তোমাক এতিয়া হয়তো হাৰ্ডৱেৰ নেটৱৰ্কিং ভাল লাগিব পাৰে. সো হাৰ্ডৱেৰ নেটৱৰ্কিঙৰ যেতিয়া ভাল লাগিব তেতিয়া তুমি যেতিয়া বেছি জানিব মন যাব, then you will come to coding, because everything are coded inside. So তোমার যদি এতিয়া মন আছে ডাইরেক্টলি মই কোডিং কৰিম, well you can go for coding য'ত তোমাৰ ইন্টারেস্টেড আছে. So it depends on which level you are and what are your interests. And I would say learn everything, but learn in a stepwise. Don't go fast forward. Halke hikibo lage aru bostu keta clear hobo lage. That is my message to all the new students who want to join the IT career.
Okay, so thank you Ashish for your time. তোমাৰ লগত পিছতো আমি কথা পাতিম আৰু জেআইটিৰ লগত জয়েন হৈ থাকিবা. So thank you for that.
Thank you, Juba. Thank you for inviting. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So please like the video and subscribe the channel. If there is any comment, please comment us, and if there are any questions, we will give answer to that also. So thank you for watching.